Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to code Hermite polynomials in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some unknown function that you would like to approximate using the Hermite polynomials, so I'll be showing you how to code Hermite polynomials in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so it's easier to see the code. And now you're just going to type in Hermite H. So this is the function that Mathematica has for the Hermite polynomials. Then you're going to type in a pair of square brackets. And inside the square brackets, the first entry is going to be n, which is the degree of the Hermite polynomial. And n is any integer. And then the next entry will be the independent variable that your polynomials are a function of. So I'm just going to let that be x. And then you can just set n to be whatever integer that you would like. And yeah, you've got your Hermite polynomials, if you would call them. And that is basically it. So if you wanted to know how to code Hermite polynomials in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.